few years ago I picked up two of my childhood hobbies and turned them into far greater passions than they had ever been before. I think most of us when we're kids we like have a little dabble at doing a bit of cross stitch and collecting a few flowers, but I think I might have taken that obsession a little bit further. I now create art and embroidery kits from the pressed flowers that I collect, and I either use the pressed flowers in their real state in my artworks, or I digitally print the flowers into my artwork and I then embroider it into my pieces. I do absolutely love the two materials that I use of flowers and the chunky tapestry wool, and my whole process has been an experimentation in finding kind of harmony between the two materials because they're just so different. Obviously I use wool that's really chunky. I quite like that it does kind of have a naivety in stitching with great big chunky stitches against obviously the very diaphanous, sometimes transparent, really delicate flowers and petals. And yeah, as I said, finding kind of a harmony between the two and getting my pieces to work has required lots of experimentation and trial and error, but I think you'll enjoy the results. I try to take as many flowers as I can from my garden or from my local area or local flower farms. They are very much like my box of paints, so sometimes everything I'm getting that's good to use from my garden is all the same colour and there's something else that I need, so I kind of have to look for it elsewhere. My gardening skills are very amateur as well. I'm building on them, but yeah, it's still work in progress. This piece, for example, my iris and bluebells I grew from bulbs, the aquanesia and catmint from seed, all from my garden, so it really does depend. Some pieces, everything is from my garden, others are a bit of a mix, but hopefully in the future I'm hoping my gardening skills are going to massively grow, so yeah, my big aim is that everything will be homegrown from my tiny garden.